Hello traders and welcome to this new market update. Today is Saturday and I'm going to do five different pairs, going from forex to indices and passing through maybe commodities and precious metals. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the AUDUSD. This is the 1 hour chart and I'm going to show you what I've already drawn. I've already drawn some Fibonacci levels. It's not important, but I will show you that right now we've had a downtrend starting in the end of December up until 19th of March. Okay, so after this this downtrend, we've had price making new highs, and so we've had a corrective structure and price making new highs. Okay, next, what do we have? So we've had in fact a price we've had a price correct and retrace up until 61% of Fibonacci retracement, which is a level that separates between a correction and or a retracement and maybe the start of a trend. So we might know in the next couple of days what we have. Why this is important? Because this is going to tell us what to do next, because we have two choices. We either going to see price continue higher and reach the 78% of Fibonacci retracement, which is this level like here, which correspond to this level right here, or we would have a price retest this important level, which is a confluence level, as you can see. Why? Because we have two Fibonacci lines, two Fibonacci lines at this level, which means we have a much stronger with resistance or support in our case, because price has gone through this level. It went through the first time without even without even testing it, but then the second and the third time it bounced off it and resumed the uptrend. So for Monday, what I would say to wait for price to retest. Here is the trade setup. The trade setup is going to be price. First of all, we have to see a correction, right? So we have to see a correction of price correcting and touching back, this level, okay? And depending on the shape of the correction, if it's a corrective move like here, what we would do, we would wait for price breaking out of the correction and then sell the second leg, or the second impulsive move. And this move can lead us to retest of this confluence area. Okay, confluence area. Okay, yeah. I hope I've been clear and you can clearly see that price might do that, So in this case, we will have, like a measured move in the making, right? So a measured move in the making would lead us, like almost to this area. The second scenario is price, like closing above this level, okay? So, but this is not my main trade setup. But if price, like would close above the level, like it would close above this level and make a correction, all right, like a double, like a double bottom, then we can buy as soon as the correction has been broken, like this. Okay, so that's it. And if you are watching this video for the first time, welcome on board, and please subscribe to this channel. I'm doing 5 videos per day, and it's not just fluff or just like empty talks, but I'm trying to show you, like how to trade and how to think about trading, and I'm trying to give you the best possible, like scenarios for each trade. And you can go and look back, like at the dozen of videos that have been already published, and you'll see that, like we are, or I am mainly right in most of them, especially when they move the way I expected the price to move. So if you were following from the beginning, this channel is still in its infancy, but if you were following from the beginning, you would be, like making growing your account and making much money. Okay, so I see you in the next video.